Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Transvaginal ultrasonography. In transvaginal ultrasonography, findings of fibroid. On transvaginal ultrasonography, fibroid is central in location. It is well defined with a pseudocapsule. There is a texture of myometrium. The texture of myometrium and fibroid is the same. There is intramural fibroid, which is completely inside the myometrium. Here, fibroid is well defined, broad based, texture is same as that of surrounding myometrium. The fibroid enters the uterine cavity, thus resulting in submucosal fibroid. Polyps. Polyps. The margins of polyps.
thank you and thank you for watching.